I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that you can start today with no car, money, or a computer. We want to think everything dogs. The next 3 side hustles are about dogs. You could become a dog walker, dog sitter, or a dog pooper scooper. Don't take my word for it. Watch this video where this guy is making tons of money dog sitting and walking.
This is the easiest way to make an extra $500 per month. This is Stella. She's a 7-year-old lab mix, and we're watching her this weekend from an app called Rover. Rover connects you with people in your area to take care of their pets. We watched Stella for 1 weekend and got paid $120. So if you watch one dog for each weekend of the month, you can easily make $500 per month.
People are going back into the office and they are working longer hours. So they may not have the time to walk their dog. They may not have the time to scoop their poop. Don't have to take my word for it. Watch this video of this lady is making up to $21,000 a month picking up poop.
So I called my daughter and told her that my second income, I was going to start picking up dog poop for people. You know, go to their house like once a week and pick up the dog poop out of their yard. And she's like, oh, that's crazy. No one's going to, pay you to do that. And why would you want to do that for, I was like, well, this lady says she has 300 clients. And they pay her like $70 a month to come pick up the dog poop out of their yard like once a week. And I said, I figured out that's like $21,000 a month. She says, I'll hold the bag. You put the poop in.
Go on the local community page and say, hey, my name is Sam and I would like to walk your dog. I charge XYZ. You don't need to go to another community. Everyone has a dog in your community. Tell me about a side hustle that you made money from. I put it in one of my videos. Now, the second thing, actually, this is the 4th side hustle if you really think about it, but it's the second thing, and I got 2 side hustles for this. Since it's the holidays, everybody wants to decorate. You need to get out there and say on the Facebook, hey, my name is so-and-so. I would like to put up your decorations for you. Once again, you don't have to take my word for it. Watch this video.
How I made $4,300 in one day hanging Christmas lights. Step number 1 was going to pick up the boys, get them ready for work, went over to their house, picked them up, and dropped them off at job number 1, which was $2,300 to outline the entire roof, do the dormers and above the 2 front doors, red and white lights at this one. And then I was off to do a repair at another one of my customers' houses, got everything fixed up for them, $0 there, went to check on the guys again, got some money to pay them later on today. Didn't sell the first quote of the day, unfortunately. Gave the guys a hand on the roof here, and then had some pizza with them for lunch. Then we were off to the second job. On the way, I sold 2 jobs for about $1,000 each, so we'll knock them out next week. And then here's number 2 of the day. It's $2,000 job, outlined the whole roof, did some ground stakes.
They don't have time to do this. So you can offer your service to decorate. The next side hustle is gift wrapping. You could charge your customers per gift. So if you wrap 10 gifts, you could charge them $3 or $4 or even $5 a gift. Why would they hire you? Because they don't have the time to do it. If you don't have any money, all you need to tell them is you supply the materials and I will wrap the gifts. So my bonus side hustle, we're gonna need this after Christmas, okay? After Christmas, people are gonna wanna start packing crap up. Not only you put the stuff up, you could charge them to put the stuff up. You put it up and now you're gonna put it up again. So you're packing the stuff up and you're organizing and you're decluttering the stuff. So definitely, if you like this video, you wanna subscribe to my channel because I talk about personal development and money, building your business every day on this channel.